Hello, friends of the O Professor O1 channel. Let's transform our frequency together and open the doors to a better life. Take a deep breath now. Imagine a golden light filling you completely. Feel this vibration guiding you beyond your limits, connecting you to the universe.
Feel this vibration guiding you beyond your limits, connecting you to the universe. Get ready to receive a powerful message that will raise your frequency from now on.
Enlightenment, the highest level of Hawkins' pyramid, is the state of pure consciousness, of unity with the whole. It is the experience of transcending the ego, dualities, and limitations of the mind, living in a state of absolute peace, joy, and wisdom. Though few reach this level permanently, every step towards it elevates your frequency and brings you closer to your true divine essence, a glimpse of the infinite. Law of attraction is prowess. Frequency is finesse. And health, yes, is beauty. Did you like this message? Share it with your friends, follow us, and leave your like.